Good morning, welcome to another day of Big Pats Under the Hood. And I had an exhaust leak on my truck, and it was getting inside the truck when I was sitting idling. And come to find out, it was this clamp right here. The clamp right here that goes from the outlet, the hot side of the turbo, down to the exhaust pipe. That clamp had failed. And what had happened was, for some reason, the bolt had came off the clamp. Don't know why, but that's what it was. So, replace that, and that is what was going on with it. So now I'm gonna start the vehicle up and check it for leaks. So if you're experiencing exhaust fumes inside your truck, then just know that if you don't see any soot or anything like that, then it's not leaking there. And always check your clamps and all that. And that's the message of the day. Have a great day. Thank you. If you haven't done so, subscribe, like, share, comment. I'll respond to you as quickly as possible. Thank you.